Welcome to the TSDC podcast. I am Neha Chauhan, your host for the day. We are very thrilled as it's our very first podcast. Today we are going to talk about patents. We are super thrilled as the patents have been designed and developed by the faculties of Thakur Shamnarayan Degree College. So today we have our esteemed and speaker, our guest of the day, which is Dr. G.D. Giri sir, Principal of Thakur Shamnarayan Degree College. Welcome, sir. We have a very special topic for the day, that is display device for digital marketing. Welcome, sir. Thank you for sparing us your time. So, sir, how have you motivated and guided the teachers of TSDC towards getting patents?
In present era, innovation is a key area of development. By considering the increasing need of digitization in the field of advertising, I encouraged my colleagues, my PhD students, to develop a device which will facilitate in the marketing strategies.
So, what motivated you to develop a patent in digital device or marketing, device in digital marketing?
This idea is stemmed from the requirement of the market, from the part of increasing demand for digital marketing solutions. And after discussing with the students as well as my colleagues, we have arrived to the design which will be consumer friendly in respect of understanding the various aspects of marketing, right from product content. Our goal was to create a device that will provide an innovative platform in the field of advertisement. This will facilitate the customers to access different products on the tip of a finger.
So, can you please describe the features and functions of your patented display device?
The main features of patented device are high resolution displays, then we can say interactive touch screen, then we can say integrated software for real-time solutions.
So, what are the specific problems that your display device focuses on? The limitations of your problems and the problems, the display that focuses mainly on?
As on today, we have come across to only one limitation, that is retaining attention of customers in crowded places, because this will be the interactive device and it will stick to an individual.
Sir, it would be a pleasure to know that who were your team members and the people who worked beyond getting this patent.
For award of this patent from the Government of India, my colleagues, Assistant Professor Hardik Guradia, Assistant Professor Pramod Gaikwad, Assistant Professor Aparna Kulkarni, Assistant Professor Saili Saraiya, and Dr. Udayban Yadav had a great contribution.
Thank you for sharing these insights, sir. It's truly inspiring to see how the innovative ideas are being made and curated at Thakur Shamnarayan Degree College.
Thank you very much, Neha. It has been a pleasure for me for discussing our work. I am sure that aspiring students, researchers will get encouragement out of this discussion.
Thank you once again, Principal Dr. G.D. Giri sir. So we are at the end of our podcast and we would like you to come back. Stay tuned for more next episodes of our podcast. Here I am Neha Chauhan signing off for the day.